Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how to refill Uber Cash on Uber Eats. If you are on Uber Eats homepage, the Uber Eats homepage looks like this. And at the end, on the right down corner, you'll find account option here. Just tap on that account. After going to tapping on into account, you'll find several options here. One of the option will be a wallet. So just tap on this wallet. Going to wallet, you'll find you can add funds by just clicking here to your Uber Cash. So auto refill option is also there, and if you want to refill, just add funds. Add funds can be done in several ways. So one thing will be one-time purchase, auto refill, and gift card. All these ways will be adding your money to your Uber Cash. So one-time purchase will be enabling you with adding all that specified amount, or you can even add whichever amount you want. For that matter, you have to just give your payment methodology initially here. Just give your payment methodology and then enter your amount and confirm. Go ahead with your payment methodology. That's all. You can refill your Uber Cash account on Uber Eats. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.